Good morning, guys. We were about to head out to a dentist appointment for my son whenever I noticed that they canceled it last minute. So we are going to go ahead and make a trip to the grocery store because we are running out of good food to eat. And that's what we're going to do this morning. I have pants on. I don't even know what the temperature is outside, but I always get so cold in the grocery store and I just want to be comfy. So I just have some like workout pants on. So that's what we're going to do today.
But first, before I go anywhere, I have to make my bed. As you know, it drives me crazy if I leave it unmade for the day. So that is something I'm going to get done before we leave. And you'll probably notice through the rest of this video that I ended up changing because once I was making the bed with these pants on, I realized that I hated these pants, so I just changed into shorts.
Okay, so I have this art piece up here sitting on top of my dresser. Today is the last day that I can return it. I have had it for what seems like months. It's not even sitting up there straight, but I don't know. I have had it for months and haven't had a place to hang it. It was kind of expensive, so I need to decide if I'm going to hang it here or if I'm going to take it back. And I think it is just absolutely beautiful, but it's just not vibing in my house. It's just maybe a little too blingy for my house. Even though I love bling and glam, it just doesn't always fit into my house so well. So I think that I will take it back. I have it sitting on some little towels so it didn't scratch up the thing. It is so heavy. It would have to be hung on screws and studs in the wall because it is just a super, super heavy piece. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just hang something else up there and take this back. Today is the last day, but let's just admire it while we can. So this room is torn apart again. Last night I was like, I don't know, 11, maybe later. I came down here to let the dogs out before bed, and we have an air conditioner up there, and it must, I don't know what was going on, but it was leaking onto our couch, and I took the cushion off, the cover off, I moved the couch. I don't know, you know me, I just tore everything apart again, and our pool floats are in here because it was like windy the other day, so I brought them inside. So yeah, now I need to put all this stuff back where it goes. My rug's all crunched up there. It's gonna be all wrinkled. Oh boy. We just got home from the grocery store and now I've got to put away all of these groceries, and I figured I would just do a little haul and show you everything that I got. I had a list of like some random things, and this is what I always do at the grocery store, and it's bad. I just go through and I'm like, oh, this looks good, looks healthy, this looks tasty, and then I just put a bunch of stuff in the cart and it doesn't, I don't know. And I never know what to make for dinner, so I don't really know what I'm gonna make for dinner. Tonight I do know I'm going to make tacos, so it's, oh my gosh. My husband told me it was Taco Tuesday earlier, and I'm pretty sure it's Wednesday. Let me check. What? We don't know what day it is. It's Wednesday. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm gonna make tacos tonight, and I gotta start getting this stuff unpacked and put away. Let me look for the perishables. Okay. Got some lunch meat from the deli. I got Colby Jack mini horn cheese. And then I got oven roasted turkey breast and ham. You can make some sandwiches with this. Okay, I always do this. I can't put any of that stuff away because there's no room in our fridge. I think I have like, I'm embarrassed to show you, but I have like way too many condiments. I'm obsessed with condiments and pickles and peppers and all the jars and bottles of stuff. Okay, we definitely need to do a refrigerator clean out. I got some organic iceberg lettuce. What on earth? It's kind of dirty. This is my favorite way to get celery, where it's already cut up in this little thing of water. It's just so good that way. I don't know why. I got some limes and some grapefruit. I really have to invest in some reusable bags because this is driving me insane using these. I had a bunch and then I don't know what happened to them. I got some pico. Got to have my pico, especially if we're having tacos. Got some organic frozen pineapple chunks. Gotta get those in the freezer. I got 2 boxes of Uncrustables peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I usually get these at Sam's Club, so I get a big box of them, but I figured might as well just get them while I'm there. And then I had the weakness to get these Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. I made some the other night and I just thought, oh my gosh, they were so delicious. So I got 2 packs of those, some organic sea salt french fries, got some organic butter, and I got this Horizon organic whole milk and the organic chocolate milk with the DHA omega-3 added. And then I guess I'll try these for the boys. It's organic kiwi strawberry juice and grape juice, little pouches. And got some strawberry yogurt. The kids are obsessed with these. They are ham and cheese croissant sandwiches. More Uncrustables. Got some bananas. Oh my goodness, these bananas must have got beat up on the way because they were not this color when I bought them. Some mango orange juice. What else? I got this thing. It's of mixed berries. You gotta look at how pretty the berries are. I enjoy a good berry. So strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Yum! And then we got watermelon. Got organic olive oil, basil and garlic Bertolli pasta sauce. Some organic whole wheat bread. Why did they double bag my bread? Some Hawaiian bread. And then Garden of Eaton organic lime tortilla chips. Got organic baby spring mix. Organic tomatoes. I try to buy everything that I can find organic, an organic version, whatever. organic chocolate brownie bars. My kids love these. I got 2 boxes of those. Then we got some organic cereals. We got Cinnamon Crunch. And we got organic Frosted Flakes. And then we got this Kashi by Kids Honey Cinnamon cereal. The kids wanted to try that. So we got 3 boxes of cereal. Did I say we got grapefruits and limes? Got some organic croutons. Got my laundry detergent, my Gain Moonlight Breeze, my favorite. And then I've never had these before. I decided to try them. They were like $5 for this bag, but it is organic croutons made from quinoa. So I'm interested to try those. They're organic, non-GMO, gluten-free. So I'll be adding those in my salad. I got some organic avocado, some little petite potatoes, the kind that I like to put on the grill, some taco seasoning, and some organic taco shells. Oh, and I got some beautiful flowers. I got 3 different things. I've got a dozen roses, some eucalyptus, and baby's breath. It all smells so good. Woo! All right, now I've got to get the I gotta get this fridge cleaned out.
I told you it was embarrassing how many condiments and peppers and pickles that I have. It's just so much, but it's all like recent things that I've bought. I have like 5 different types of mustards, and I don't know. I'm just crazy, and I like all this stuff, but I wish I had like a secret fridge I could hide it all in because it's not very appealing.
Look how cute the peanut butter and jellies are. They say go get 'em. Oh, you rock. I love this. High five. How perfect for back to school. This is awesome. That is so sweet. I don't know why, I just love that.
We have the Samsung Family Hub refrigerator, and it is such a cool fridge. It has so many awesome features with the Wi-Fi and the touchscreen and everything, but I just feel like it's really small, or maybe I just have a lot of stuff, but I probably just have a lot of stuff. I'm thinking about getting a second fridge, which that might be weird because it would be in our butler's pantry, laundry room area, and I don't know if that would be weird or not, but we have a deep freeze and I probably need to clean that out. It's in the garage, so it's kind of annoying to go back and forth to, but I definitely need more room. Oh, and I even forgot to mention that I already do have a small beverage refrigerator in that laundry room area, but it's just not enough. So let me know what you think. Do you think it would be weird to have 2 full-size refrigerators in your house? Also, I think my camera stopped recording before I got everything put away, but it's not like it looked like anything fancy. It was still a cluttered mess. I just was able to fit everything in there. I just love picking up fresh flowers whenever I go to the grocery store. It is just my little treat. This was only $16 for this whole arrangement, so I definitely think it is worthwhile. It just cheers up the kitchen. I love putting them by my sink, and for only $16, I just think that it's perfect. So the next time you're at the grocery store, treat yourself. Go look at the fresh flowers. I'm sure you can find something to bring home, and I'm sure it will bring a smile to your face. I really think that the flowers turned out so beautiful. I don't know, this might be a little high. I kind of liked it sticking up, but I think I could do with that. Cut down just a smidge, but look how gorgeous. I love the fresh eucalyptus and baby's breath. So beautiful. Now I am just cleaning up all this mess in my kitchen, and I am just so happy with my flowers. They're so beautiful. I hope you guys like this video, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!